This is Tuck with Tuck GC. We are out in Woodbridge, Virginia. We're looking at a driveway expansion, stair system install, retaining wall, and some drainage. Now let's take a closer look. Now this was just poured a few days ago, so it's still curing, but give it about 30 days. All this color will blend in and look really nice. Now over here at this stair system is what I want to focus on. It came at like a weird angle down this dirt path that you see. The landings weren't spaced nicely. The risers were off in height. It just wasn't a good solution. And coming all the way down here just kind of didn't make sense. So we came up with the idea to push it parallel with the house. It also gave them the big landing in front of the door, where before it was only a little 4-foot landing. And then we did a step, 3-foot platform, 2 steps, 3-foot platform, then 2 steps. If you do it this way with the 3-foot platform in the middle of the 2 steps, you're not required to have railing. Now the stone accent wall came out really nice. Now I want to be honest, when we were putting in this, it was supposed to be a concrete wall. The concrete got a little ahead of us when we were pulling off form boards and everything, and by the time we got to this, it was set up and it didn't look great. I didn't want to have to come in and patch it and parge it and give the client a solution that wouldn't last, so we elected to come in, put in this nice stone, beautiful thermal caps, and it just really set this project off nice. So something that could have been a bad deal ended up turning out to be really nice. And of course I took care of the customer on this type of situation, so he was super happy. Did a little bit of drainage work. This pipe was just kind of dumping on the driveway, causing erosion on this hill, so we carried it under the walkway, and it pops out with a pop-up in the front yard, 5 feet away from the right-of-way space, all within code. So it really changed the aspect of the house by having this nice long landing, this properly broke out stair system in the wall, and it was a big improvement. And then we got the parking pad here. We may be coming back and doing a double wide apron in the very near future, and also a slab in the back. So check back later for more work. As always, thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you for your project as well. Take care.